So the dropshipping business is actually quite interesting. I mean, I first heard about this a while back, probably 2012, and the entire concept that you didn't have to have any stock and you just, whenever you got an order, just send it straight to this weird website no one heard about, Alibaba, and they would just ship it straight to your client and you would make like 80%. That was like mind blowing. And I think this was 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss who kind of launched it. Hello Shopify world, my name is Andrew from ecomexperts.io, but you already knew that. Welcome back. This week we are looking at another Shopify app. This week we are looking at Spocket, a US and EU Dropshipping Shopify app. It has a 4.7 out of 5 reviews out of something like 1,600 reviews. Okay, enough talking. Let's check out Spocket, the dropshipping app. I think I'm gonna name my dog like that. Spocket, the dropshipping app. Like with a little jingle.
Alright, we are on the app dashboard. You are greeted with quick walkthrough tips on how to get the most out of the app, which we don't need now, so we'll turn it off. The dashboard looks very nice. We have the navigation to the left and the filtering options on top of the page. It looks like an improved version of the Oberlo app. Sorry. So if you've ever used Oberlo, switching to this app won't be a problem. In the sidebar, we have the product search, the page, which we are currently on, the import list, my products, and my orders. Also, in the lower part of the sidebar, you can find the help center, shortcut to your shop, and app settings. In case you need assistance from the customer support team, you can do that via live chat, and you know we love live chat. That's pretty much it for the dashboard, so now we can proceed to the real thing, which is products. The app differs from the competitors with their supplier base. Most other apps intended for dropshipping are offering goods from Chinese suppliers. But with this app, you can sell goods from mostly US and EU suppliers. There are also a few suppliers from Australia and New Zealand if that's your target market. So that's a refreshing change. Back to the filtering. You can find products by typing keywords in this field right here, or you can filter all products by category, price, location, and supplier. Under this filter bar, you can find suggested filters if you are out of ideas. Overall, a great and intuitive design. On our demo shop, we are offering some sport goods, so let's start with that. Click on all categories, and here the drop-down menu appeared with 17 different categories. Damn! That's nice. We will choose sports and outdoor. There are so many categories, I'm kind of tempted to try all of them and make this like a 2-hour video. I need to mention that Spocket is not only offering products, but also the print-on-demand services which you can use alongside Printful, or other dropshipping apps for that matter. And in case you never tried out Printful and you're like, hey Andrew, what the hell is Printful? Well, maybe you should subscribe and you would have seen the Printful video, or you can just click on the link to see the Printful video. We will, as always, link everything in the description box below. All right, back to the filtering. If you click on select by location button, you can choose the location from where you want to ship the goods and the location you want your items to be shipped. This is a nice start. We will choose Canada, oh Canada, for both options and no results for this search. Let's see if anyone is actually shipping from Canada. So click on X button next to ships to Canada, and okay, no one is shipping from Canada. All right, forget about the location filter then, and see the offer in general. We are in the sports and outdoor section, and there are so many products. Products images are not that beautiful, so you probably want to take your own pictures of the products. Let's click on the first one and see what information we can get about the products. On the lower left, we can see product descriptions. Again, you will need to work on that too, since, well, it's not the best descriptions. And on the right, we have a location from where the product is shipped and a supplier name. Also, right under it, you can find the listing price and the retail price. Retail price is basically a suggested price. You can change it if you want. Okay, under the pricing, we have add to import list, open product variations, and order samples. Having the ability to order samples before actually adding the product to your shop is a great feature. Not only can you make the quality control, but you can also take professional pictures before adding the product to your shop. Let's click on it and see how it looks. All right, you need to be at least on the Empire plan. That's kind of too bad. All right, go back and we are only left with the shipping information. Processing times is 1 to 2 business days, and if your customers are US based, they will need to wait 1 to 3 business days. Apparently I can't say 3, I say like 3. I say 3 instead of 3. Okay, this is confusing. Anyway, they would pay $15 for shipping this product and $10 for every additional product in the same order, which is kind of confusing. Worldwide is just crazy. 15 to 30 business days with the shipping cost a lot more expensive than the actual product. Maybe it's only the supplier though. Let's quickly check the others. Alright, on most products we have the same prices. Not many suppliers are outside of the United States of America in this category. When you're satisfied with your choice of products, you can import them to your Shopify store and start making those dineros. Alright, that is it for the app, guys. What we liked about this app is that your inventory automatically updates. You can track the order status in real time, and there is an automated order fulfillment, and on higher plans you can even have branded invoices. There are some things we didn't like too, or maybe that wasn't the perfect fit for everyone. The first one is the location of the suppliers is still a bit limited, but I'm sure they're working on that. More suppliers are in the US and ship to and from the US. Shipping to other countries wouldn't be super cost effective from this really quick look. Also, custom duty and taxes vary between countries, so Spocket didn't include these fees, which makes sense, but it does affect the overall cost of the products. Therefore, you will need to factor this into your Therefore, make sure to factor this into your bottom line and don't forget these calculations. If you like this app and decide to give it a try, we highly suggest you try this app for free though, before you start splurging on their plans. A simple Google search did mention some people that they said it wasn't easy to get a refund if they're not satisfied with the app, which, you know, online reviews, they can mean everything or nothing, so take it with a grain of salt, but it's still important to mention. Overall, from our perspective, this is a really good app, and some of our clients made serious money from it. Yep, I'm talking to you.
Alright, thank you so much, Shopify World. I hope you enjoyed this app review. Make sure to like and subscribe, because legit it makes a difference if you smash that subscribe button. It really, for real, makes a difference. Check out the Slack app, and I'll see you in another video. Ciao, bye!